Welcome to the Crochet channel, the best place in the universe to learn crochet online. It's great you're here today because it's always a lovely day to crochet. If you like crochet or kittens, or you just want to help me out, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on your crochet channel videos. Yay! First of all, we are going to learn the basics of crochet stitches. So to begin, you will need to create a slip knot. You're done! And then crochet a chain. Next, let's move on to crochet a slip stitch. Next, crochet single crochet. Next, crochet half double crochet. Next, crochet double crochet. And the last one, crochet treble crochet. These are the crochet stitches you need to know. If you are ready, let's get started on the exciting crochet project. This is another one that I made, and then I will connect them. Next, after I connect this one already, then I will crochet this one. Connect to the side. So next, start with chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then crochet double crochet. Don't forget to skip one and crochet in the next one. And then chain 1, 2. So this one I will skip 1, 2 and crochet in the next one. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, 2. Skip 1, 2 and crochet in the next one. 1, 2, 3. And then chain 1, 2. Skip 1, 2 and crochet in the next one. 1 and 2. There you go. Then turn the work for the row 2. Chain 1, 2, 3. And then crochet double crochet in the same double crochet. 1, 2. Crochet in double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, 2. Crochet in the double crochet. 1 and 2. So this finished. Keep repeating this process until to your desired length. Now I have finished to my desired length. If you want to continue more, you also can repeat. But at the end, I will crochet single crochets. Turn the work. Chain 1. And then crochet single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2. Inside, we crochet 1 single crochet and then single crochet 1, 2, 3, and this one crochet 1 single crochet and then 3, 1, 2, 3, and then inside 1, and the last one 2 single crochets 1 and 2. Turn the work, chain 1 and then single crochet, chain 1, 2, 3. So I will skip 1, 2 and single crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, skip 2 and I crochet in the third one, 1, 2, 3, skip 2 and crochet in the third one, 1, 2, 3, skip 2 and crochet in the last one. There you go. Chain 1, 2, 3. After we have finished this one, keep repeating this process to another side. Now I have finished with both sides, and then we will crochet the strap around and also the string. We will crochet the string 4 tied at the back. So this one I used 2 strands of the yarn, and this one the hook number 6. A slip knot and then crochet the chain 1, 2, 3. Keep continuing. So this one I crochet the chain 250. Yarn over and then pull through, and then weave in the ends, and then I will tie the knot. Next, I will show you how to crochet this one. Create a slip knot, and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, insert into the 4th chain from hook. 1. Yarn over, insert. 2. Yarn over, insert. 3. Yarn over, insert. 4. We need this 4 times. Yarn over, pull through all the loops. Chain 1. Turn the work, and then yarn over. We will crochet in this one space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through, chain 1, and then turn the work. Yarn over, insert to this space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through, chain 1. Turn the work, but this one we will crochet in the space here. Yarn over, insert. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through, chain 1. Turn the work, yarn over. This one we will crochet in this space. 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, pull through, chain 1. This time, can you guess where we should insert? Should be here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, chain 1. Turn the work. Next, we will insert in here or here, this space. 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, pull through, chain 1. Now you can see it become like this. So keep continuing this process until to your desired length. For me, I will crochet 58 pairs. 1 pair, 2 pair. Keep continuing. So after you get to the size that you want, maybe don't cut it yet. And then leave it long, and then maybe you want to continue more. For me, I would like to stop here. So this one I count as a pair. 1, 2, 3. So 58 pairs all around. So this one, I count as the pair. 1 pair, 2 pair. So this one, 16 pairs, and then I mark. And then go down to here. 13 pairs to this. And this one also 13 pairs. And then this to this, 16 pairs. In the middle. And then I use the stitch marker to mark. So when I attach, it's more stable. And then you will add the strap to this for both ends. I will put the picture on the screen. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the Crochet channel for lots of exciting, easy, and best of all free crochet tutorial patterns, which you can use to create your own crochet pieces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Be kind to someone today, and keep smiling until the next video.